Alright, let's go ride. Need to get new gloves soon. The Velcro's like wearing out. Man, I forget how hot like springtime is here in Utah, dude. It's not even like actually spring yet. It's like 55 today and I'm already cooking. Yeah, I have no idea what even this video is going to be about. I just wanted to get out and ride. What you doing, bro? I gotta say, guys, too, I'm cheating on my Pista helmet right now. I got the X15 Shoei, and dude, I love this helmet, man. It is so comfortable. The Pista by far is like the best looking helmet on the market, but when I'm out filming like this, out of the camera, I'm wearing it for a long time. This Shoei is game changer. I love this helmet, dude. I know all the Pista guys are gonna be in the comments right now defending their pride and joys, but it is what it is, man. Someone's got to say it. It's times like this where I'm sitting here and like, did I press record on the camera? Because I can't see it. Oh no, I'm getting a Charlie horse. Come on, man. No. Oh, it's gone. Very good. I keep getting Charlie horses like right in my hip, and it's always when I ride this bike. What's up, brothers? There we go. There we go. Alright, enough of that. I told myself I wouldn't. I told myself every day I go on this bike, I'm not going to do it. And yeah, we just popped that cherry. So, yo, I'm going to keep it a buck. Your boy is parched. You guys got lemonade? How much?
75 cents.
Got you. Can I just do one?
Yeah. Nice bike.
I appreciate it, man. Cool. You guys keep the change, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, you got it.
Thank you.
No, it's not bad, yeah. I wish it stayed like this all year, though. It's gonna get like 80 soon.
Oh, yeah.
Can I throw those in your trash? Is that cool?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Grab your trash bag.
All right, appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Yeah, good luck today.